In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a new walking tour to the system. Access your user dashboard in the top right corner and click Routes. Then click Add a new route. This will take you to the tour submission page. The route details can be added to the fillable boxes that hold key information about your tour. Remember to click Save before hitting Next. The next screen is the map, where you will add your points. Find your first point by browsing the map, or run a word search for the location in the top left corner. Find your first point, pass the mouse marker over it and right-click to name it. You can set all your points this way. To add details, click the Edit button, located under the point's name on the left side menu. Fill in the point details to provide your readers with full information about the place. Assign a category to the point on the right-hand side. You can then add images using the Upload Image button if you wish. You can add a description about photographer credit. Selecting a photo as a primary image will make it the cover image of your tour. Choosing Application Cover Photo makes that photo your images on Routey's mobile application. Don't forget to hit the save whenever you add something to the point. Once you've finished, select the form of transport needed to cover your route. Click Show Route will let you see your walking tour from beginning to end. When you're happy with your tour, click Publish at the bottom of the screen.